Hi, I'm Jake Dodson. I'm Riedel's Executive Director of Product Management. Today, just want to give you a couple of highlights of the show for Riedel. This is highlight number one. This is the Bolero Mini, the brand new Bolero Mini. And what is it? Well, it piggybacks on our world famous Bolero wireless intercom system. This guy, as you can see, is super compact. So this is really designed as a very, very lightweight intercom belt pack. Can be used in sports applications, for runners, anywhere where you want a really, really compact wireless intercom system, but with all of the quality and reliability that the Bolero wireless intercom system is world renowned for. So, highlight number one. The other really big news that we've got on the show is that that high human interface control system is now part of the Riedel family. So Riedel is all about providing world-class solutions for our customers, and with Hi, we now go to the next level of integration, building control across the entire solution. So whether it's our video products or our intercom products, we're really now bringing Hi into the whole ecosystem of Riedel. So it's super happy because Hi in human interface, it's all about ease of use. How can we make it easy to program a control system without all of the complexity that you normally have? So those are the two big highlights. Of course, there's many other things to talk about. Hopefully, we see you on the Riedel booth.